volcanoes. Alright. The rocky ground shakes and bulges upward. Then a powerful blast throws rock bombs, gas, and ash high into the sky. Fiery red lava pours from the earth, and nearby fields of snow and ice melt, creating huge rivers of thick mud. Yeah. Some volcanoes lie quiet, asleep for many years. When a volcano sleeps, beneath its rocky cover, all is still and quiet.
There's a lot of houses.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of houses here. Other volcanoes are more active and erupt more often. When a volcano wakes, hot liquid rock and gas go on the move. An exploding volcano is an awesome sight and dangerous for those living nearby. Let's look more closely at how a volcano erupts by going inside its fiery underbelly.
What's underbelly? This is your belly.
That's the area underneath the volcano. Beneath the ground, melted rock is called magma.
Oh, I have a magnet. She's going in the magnet volcano.
Oh wow. When it bursts out onto the Earth's surface, magma is then called lava. So when it's still inside, it's called magma. But when it comes outside, it's called lava. That's right. If that volcano's erupting, it's very hot. You have to be careful.
The fire comes up.